In a vast and verdant marsh, there lived a small Avocet named Amelia. Amelia was known for her striking black and white feathers, but more so for her unyielding ambition. One day, Amelia noticed a beautiful pearl nestled among the marsh's reeds. Her heart fluttered with desire. "That pearl is mine," she said. "It will make me the most remarkable Avocet in the marsh." Amelia spent days pecking at the reeds, trying to reach the pearl. Her feathers became muddy, and her beak wore thin, but she would not stop. She was determined to have that pearl. One day, a wise old egret named Edgar watched Amelia's struggle. Edgar approached Amelia and said, "My dear Amelia, that pearl is beautiful, but it is not yours to take. It was placed there for a reason, and I believe it is a test." "A test? What kind of test?" asked Amelia, taken aback. "A test of your true worth," replied Edgar. "The pearl is too heavy for you to carry. If you can't carry it, you'll learn to appreciate the beauty around you, and that is a far greater treasure." Amelia pondered Edgar's words. She realized that her ambition had blinded her to the beauty of the marsh and her own unique qualities. With newfound wisdom, she decided to embrace her true self, and the pearl no longer held the same allure. Instead, Amelia spent her days helping her fellow Avocets, sharing her wisdom, and appreciating the beauty of the marsh. And while she did not have the pearl, Amelia discovered that her heart was filled with a far greater treasure, the love and respect of her friends. From that day on, Amelia was no longer known as the Avocet with the unyielding ambition, but as the wise and compassionate Avocet who valued love and friendship above all else. And the pearl, though it remained in the reeds, seemed to lose its luster in comparison to Amelia's radiant spirit. Moral * ambition should not blind us to the beauty and value of our true selves and the relationships we build with others. True treasure lies not in material possessions, but in the love, wisdom, and compassion we share with others.